Let us start with writing our first Node.js program, that is Hello World program. Create one folder. I have created Node tutorial. Right click on this and open with code. And I believe you are already having editor installed on your system. And for this entire course, I will be using Visual Studio Code. So now in this, I will be showing you two ways of executing JavaScript code in Node. So first, I have opened my VS Code. I will just open terminal, Control J. You can go to view and here you can also open this terminal. I have simply used Control J shortcut. I will increase the size. Here I will simply type Node. As soon as I hit enter, this is going to start interactive shell which is going to process Node.js expression. Now inside this, okay, basically we are using REPL here. R stands for read, E stands for evaluate, P stands for print and L stands for loop. Inside this, I will write console.log and here I will be writing hello world. I will hit enter. I am able to get the output and this undefined is nothing but the value which is returned from console.log. So congratulate yourself, you have written first JavaScript code with the help of Node.js. So this is the first way of executing code. Second way, I will close terminal. Here I will be creating one file index.js. You can give main.js, app.js, you can give any name, but mostly we will write index.js. Inside this, I will be writing same thing, console.log, and here I will write hello world. Now to execute this, again I will open terminal. I will just come out of this REPL. So for that, I will be writing .exit. I will hit enter. I will come outside of this REPL. Now I have to run my file. So again, you have to write node. But after that, you have to give the file name. I will write index.js. I will hit enter. Now again, I am able to get the result. If you just run this without the extension, then also you will be having the result. And now might be you are thinking many times you have used console.log and in this way you have executed your application. So for your surprise, you were using Node before you were actually aware of Node.js. So just congratulate yourself because you have written your first Hello World program in Node.js.